Hey everyone, so if you updated your macOS to El Capitan, or however it's pronounced, and maybe you have ran into some problems with NTFS hard drives. I ran into, and well, basically my hard drives couldn't, I couldn't write on them anymore, just read. So that was a problem. It was working before on Yosemite, and I was using this solution here, installed Fuse for OS X with this NTFS 3G that I've found on this website here a long time ago, and it was working. But after the updates to El Capitan, it stopped working, and well, I decided to reinstall everything. I came here to the website, to the same website again, and it says it includes El Capitan. But for me, it doesn't work. So it says here, right here, that yes, this still works on El Capitan. You may have to update OS X Fuse, which is the first step here. And I did. I reinstalled OS X Fuse. It updated normally, but on this NTFS 3G, I ran into a problem. It said that I couldn't install it because it was not compatible with my OS or something like that, and it didn't work. So after searching around, I finally found a solution that actually worked, and it requires a little bit of handwork, but it does work. And it's this website here. It's very simple, but I decided to make a video because there's some problems with the step-by-step here. So I'm gonna try to go through them and explain a little bit how to do it. But in the end, it worked. So my external hard drives now are working perfectly. So let's go step by step here. Okay, so right here at this website, I'll put all these websites here, the link on the description. So come to this website here, and everything is going to be very easy. It is all about following the step-by-step, one after the other. And but don't worry, I'm going to go through it. Actually, there's some problems here. That's why I'm making this video, where you need to actually follow these guys' instructions. But anyway, I'll cover everything. Don't worry. So all of these steps are actually terminal commands. So you need to type in your terminal all of these things. And if you're worried about the terminal, don't need to worry. You don't need to understand any of these. Actually, I have no idea what this homebrew is and etc. So like, don't worry. It's all about copying and pasting. I did it. It worked. That's what matters for me. So if you're not sure what the terminal is or anything, it's pretty simple. I have here in my dock, but if you don't know where it is, just come to your Launchpad, open these other folders where you find a bunch of Apple stuff, and click on Terminal. Very simple. So since we're talking about El Capitan, you can make some good use of one of its new features and do a split screen here, so it's easy to navigate through it. So right now it's all about following the steps. So install Homebrew, like just copy this thing here, paste here, press enter. I installed already, but what might happen with you is that a pop-up screen will show, and it will tell you to install some Xcode things. So yeah, just go through it, install it. It's okay. And another thing that I'm not sure if it showed here in the first time, but let me show you here just as an example. Okay, don't need to worry about this one. If you've never used the terminal, some commands that you might put, when you press enter, it will ask for your password. This password here is the one you use to log in on your Mac. So, and if you notice, I will start typing things and nothing's going to show. You can hear by the keyboard. So nothing shows. And it's normal, okay? All you need to do is type your password regularly, pretending it's, it's the correct one, and it will go through it, okay? So no problem there. So anyway, the next point is just, again, copy and paste. I'm not going to do it because I did it again. This brew update might take a while, okay? You're going to type, you're going to press enter, you're going to, like, nothing's gonna happen. I'm gonna show you to you guys here. So this is what is gonna happen. This is just stay like this for a while, and but eventually, in my case, my first time, it said it's already up to date, which is gonna show here in a couple of moments. But basically, that's it. No need to worry about it. So yeah, as you can see, already up to date. Okay, so just keep going. Install this one, MacFUSE, all of these. Okay, just go until this part here. Okay, until this reboot part. So run this one. I'm not sure if it's needed, but do it anyway. And then there's the reboot part. Okay, so before you reboot, this is where it gets a little bit confusing. If you do reboot and just keep following these things and start typing these lines in the terminal after rebooting, you notice that it doesn't work. It's going to say that you don't have permission to do this. And this is solved by these guys' commentary here. So all you need to do is what this guy says here, and I'll go through it, but I'll need to use I'll use my phone to capture because it's in recovery mode, but it's very simple, you don't need to worry. So yeah, let's do it right now. Alright guys, so let me try to navigate here. And the first thing you want to do is, like said, reboot your computer. But what we want to do is follow these guy instructions. Okay, so I'm gonna go through it for you. Basically, you will restart your computer. Okay, here, and yeah, let's open everything again. And what you want to do is, as soon as that mouse pointer disappears, you're gonna hold Command R. Okay, so yeah, let's wait for it. Still waiting for it. And wait a little bit more. Okay, so now we hold Command R here. And yeah, keep holding it. And Apple's logo is going to show. And supposedly, yeah, in recovery mode is going to start. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, so here we are in recovery mode. Don't need to hold Command R anymore. What you need to do is enter the terminal. Okay, so to do that, you come here to Utilities, Terminal. Very simple. For each open. So here, what you want to do is type what the guy says. CSR util. Disable. And press enter. So that's exactly what you want to do. The system integrity protection is what you need to disable in order for all of these to work. Okay, so after doing that, just here and restart. So we're gonna go back to the regular screen, not my cell phone. So anyway, see you guys in a couple of seconds. Okay guys, so we're back here at our desktop, and now you should, after doing this part here, you can do this little part here, which is again same old. Copy, paste. Okay, I don't know what's going on, but anyway, do it for you. I think it's gonna work fine. And basically, that's almost it. It should be it, but for me, it didn't work. I plugged in my external hard drive, and it was read mode only. So what you need to do next is this part here. So this guy says that you have to reinstall NTFS 3G using the GUI installer. So what that means is that you need to download here in this website, links in the description, of course. You need to download the installer of NTFS 3G. Simply here, download, click on this link, and it will download it. I have here already, so I'm just going to show to you this little guy here. So it will mount the image, double click on the install thing, okay, continue, just continue, agree, you know the drill. If you might need to allow, let me show you security and privacy. On your settings here, you might need to allow, you know, this anywhere apps, allow apps downloaded from anywhere. Okay, just that you might need to do that in case you didn't, in order to run this installer, and after it runs it should be fine and working. I don't think you need to reboot after it, so all you need to do is plug in your hard drive and it just works. Now mine here, I've just plugged my hard drive here, it's gonna pop up an error. Okay, there's gonna be an error here, and I wanted to show you that it's okay. There's gonna be a problem there, you just ignore it and just click OK, and it will be working. I think it takes around 15 seconds here, so, but here we go. So yeah, blah blah blah, whatever, close. So as you can see, it's here. I can open it, and as you can see, I can copy files here. So it copied, which means I can write on it. And yeah, that's, I think that it is. You can also see it shows here in your devices, which means it's working. So yeah, that's it, guys. I think I hope it works for you. If you have any problems, just shoot up, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.